what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys. So in this video, I'm just going to go straight into the upcoming mints. I do have some plays, but if you guys want to look at my plays, go ahead, join my Discord, Professor NFT. It's completely free. I'm going to put a link down in the description below. Go ahead, you guys, join it. It's completely free, no charge, no anything. Go ahead and join, you guys. So one of the projects I want to talk to you guys about today is Mouse and the House. Many reasons why I'm kind of bullish on this project. Not kind of, I am bullish on this project. I've seen a lot of influencers talking about this project on Twitter a lot. They're sitting at 14.3k followers, which is very good. Their roadmap looks good, you guys. It's something simple, achievable for many teams. Let's go here in their Discord. So they are releasing in 2 days. Supply is 4,444. They're going to have staking ready. Their team is doxed as well through Launch Labs. And this is one of the huge reasons I am also bullish on this. Look at the price. The price, that's beautiful, you guys. Just look at that. Look at that. A 1 SOL mint if you're whitelisted. A Publix 1.25. You don't see that price anymore in mints. You see like 1.5 or 2. You hardly see 1 SOL for whitelist mint, and especially OG, which is 0.75. Even if you're trying to go for a flip or a long flip, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to flip this right after the mint. But if you're feeling bullish on the team, which I am as well, because the team is doxed and their roadmap, you guys, they even put it right here. It's quick and achievable roadmap. The community seems great. Everybody's supportive of each other. Everybody talks. And the community looks great. So let's go more in detail with their roadmap. So quick and achievable roadmap, of course. They're going to have 2,500 physical mystery boxes. So ingredients could be a hoodie, t-shirt, joggers, ashtray, rolling tray, papers, rugs, and tokenomics as well. And then the underground dealer market. So it's going to be lottery, auction, casino. Pretty dope, you guys. And then potions at UDM. 4 months after the mint, they're going to turn the mouse into something different. They're going to look so cracked and dead. So it's going to be some sort of mutation going on here. And then they're going to come out with real life events. They're going to come out meetups, merchandise. So that means these physical mystery boxes, I'm guessing we're going to be able to purchase them and then get them sent to your address. So that's something dope, you guys, this project. So let's go into the next project I have for you guys today. So this project, you guys, it's called The Club. I'm really bullish on this as well because I haven't seen this idea that many times. So what this project is, you guys, they want to come out with a club app. In this club app, it's going to be a social friendship app. As you can see here, let me read this to you actually. The club app can only be used by those who have wallet connection and approved NFTs. Users will be able to see project details from NFT cards and chat with other NFT holders. The app will support Solana and Ethereum chains. The club app will be a real legal company. The UI designs of the app have already started and it is scheduled to be released before the mint day. The launch date of the app is planned to be the same day as the launch of the collection on Ethereum. All right. So they're pretty much going to come out with like a WhatsApp or like a Signal app for NFTs, for the NFT community. So that's super cool, you guys. They have a lot of other interesting stuff in their roadmap. They're gonna have blue chip collabs, which is huge. Marketing is gonna be huge as well. As most projects right now, this is real important, the marketing on a project. They're gonna have staking, of course. So this is one thing I'm kind of iffy about. So after everything, that's when they're gonna hire the mobile app devs. They're gonna start the 3D artwork, and then the roadmap V2. That's when they're gonna launch the app. So it's cool that they're gonna show us in phase 2 the design and everything. But I just hope the team does deliver on everything they are promising here. It seems something achievable, to be honest, you guys. But it all depends if the team goes through with it, you guys. So I can't tell you guys that it's gonna succeed. It just all depends on the team. So let's go ahead, check out the team here. Okay, so gentlemen, he has a background in e-commerce, graphic design, Betty Kitty, Genius.Solif, and D-Clan. Their Discord, you guys, it's popping too. They're at 21K members. The mint price is low as well, 1.3. And there's still a chance to get whitelisted, you guys. Don't get me wrong, you guys. Go ahead, join their Discord. Try to get that whitelist. The price is low, 1.30. I'm pretty sure right off the bat, you're going to see the floor price at like 2 SOL. Sneak peeks, let me show you the art. And you know what? I didn't show you guys. The art seems cool here, but I forgot all about the art in Mouse in the House. The art's insane in this one too. I like it. I like how nice, clean it looks like. So you guys, these are the 2 projects I have for you guys today. Go ahead, you guys. Check them out. Try to get whitelisted. You might be a little bit late for Mouse in the House, but I'm going to try to get you guys some whitelist spots if you join my Discord. And that's all for me today. You guys have a great one. Professor NFTs out.